Hi everybody, it's Cindy, the scrapologist on Etsy, and I'm here to do a flip through of one of the books that's available in my shop. It's called These Are the Little Moments. Um, I'd like to do videos because the photos just don't do these albums justice. It doesn't really show the interactivity that I build into all of my albums and how many photos. I get a lot of questions, how many photos can it fit? How many pages are in the album? And so the videos give you a little better idea of what to expect when you buy your album. This particular album is 10 3/4 by approximately 8 1/2, and it's heavy. It's really substantial. The binding on both spines is Craftex, which is a fabric type paper that's very, very durable. So as you open this, it's able to lay flat, and it's not going to tear or wear out or feather. It's going to last for generations to come. So the front features a little tag that says, oops, let me put this on autofocus. Hold on. Okay. There we go. It says, these are the little moments. This is the front, and it's just a plain yellow back. And let me zoom out a little bit so I can try to get the whole thing because it opens just so nice and wide. Look at this. Look at how beautifully it opens. The left and the right sides each have an envelope style pocket with a magnet. So this one opens and you can put items in here, and the one on this side opens with a magnet as well, but it opens this way, and you have a tuck spot, pocket, pocket, photo mats, places for photos, and that closes all nice and neatly with the magnet. Then there are two sections. There's this left section and this right section, and then a nice middle section. So let me do this left section first. This section here is a wallet style closure, again with a magnet, so it keeps everything nice and neat. Photo mat, opens up, more photo mats, a journaling spot, and a nice spread for photos, and a pocket here. And again, magnetized so that stays on for you. There's a little spot up here to put the date. And then you open it up and you have room for more journaling or photos. This can accommodate a large photo. You could put a 5x6 on this, or you can't quite fit an 8x10, but you could if you cropped it a little bit. You can almost fit an 8x10 on here. And then it opens this as a pocket. So you can put all kinds of things in here, tickets and maps and plane stubs, train stubs, whatever, any ephemera from trips or from your memories can go in all these little pockets here. There's two pockets here, as well as a tag, journaling spot, and a photo mat. And then another spread place for a large photo, or two 4x6s would look very nice here, and some journaling or photos. This is a pocket again, and a belly band with a large mat that can accommodate either a large photo or two 4x6s on each side. You could put one up here and one here, and then just slide it back into this belly band. And then a beautiful spread here for photos. You can put a date or some journaling there. So that's the left side. Before I do the middle, let's do the right side. So you have some angled pockets here where you can tuck things in. Let's just say you have something special that you want to put in there, and then it can stay in there just like that, as well as a pocket here. You can journal on this whole page because it is note paper, or you can cover it with photos. Another belly band here, another pocket, a nice spread for photos. It says a picture is worth 1,000 words. Now, I do leave these, I just adhere them at the top so that you can put your photo under there. So if you stick your photo here, you know, you can put it under that. 2 more pockets with a tag, or journaling and photo mat. Pocket. And a really pretty spread here. Enjoy the little moments, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. And then here we have 2 pockets, each with a tag that has a photo mat on it. And then another little angled pocket with a tag. So that's the right side. Then you open it up, and this is the middle section. This again is affixed with a magnet to keep it all nice and neat. This opens up. Oh, and you can put a photo there. This opens up. And on the bottom, let's see here. On the bottom, there's a journaling spot, a pocket, and a place for a photo. And there's one of those at the top as well. Journaling spot, pocket, place for a photo. And then there's a pocket here, little journaling spot. You can put photos here. This opens, and you have a photo mat here. Then here's another pocket, opens, photo mats. And then here on the inside, a large pocket. And this all closes really nicely with the magnet, and it all folds right back up and is a family heirloom. All the precious moments that you've had in a period of time or over the course of your life, it would be a really nice album for that. So I'll put the link down below as to where you can purchase this album, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.